Here on this screen, you can see a woman slouching and looking nervous and conscious, whereas there is a man who is looking confident, comfortable and pleasant. So can you guess who is having higher possibility of being selected in an interview? Yes, you are correct. It is the man who is likely to be selected. It is all because of non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication can be a reason of selection or rejection in an interview. Hello friends, I am 𝗕𝘀𝗀𝗏𝗏 from Training Division CRPC. In this video, I am going to discuss what body language shall be maintained during an interview. So let's begin with posture first. Posture is the way we position and hold our body. In simple language, we can understand the way we carry ourselves, the way we sit, the way we stand. It's all about posture. For effective posture, there is a formula which is called 𝗕𝘀. S, sit straight. So maintain an erect posture while sitting in the chair. U, upright head. Keep your head upright facing the interviewer and make sure do not look down constantly. R, relax shoulders. Even while answering the challenging question, make sure that you maintain relaxed shoulders because it speaks that you are being calm and confident. E, engaged, lean. Lean a little forward while listening to the interviewer, as it shows that you are taking interest in the conversation and you are being enthusiastic. So there are few postures which we should try to avoid during an interview, like S, that stands for slouching. So please do not slouch in an interview because it shows that you are being less confident. L, leaning back excessively. So when you lean back excessively, it also signifies or it suggests that you are being either arrogant or overconfident. O, overly relaxed posture. Though we always advise to maintain a relaxed posture, but being overly relaxed can be negative because you can look more casual or unprofessional. U, uncomfortable sitting position. So sitting on the edge of the chair or shifting a position in the chair can also make you look uncomfortable, anxious or nervous. C, crossed arms. Sitting crossed arms throughout the interview can also give an impression that you are not interested to speak or you are unapproachable. H, hand shoulders. So raising your shoulders or maintaining rounded shoulders in the interview can also be negative because it suggests that you are being less self-assured. Now that we understand postures, let's move on to gestures and explore which gestures can help you creating a good impression in an interview and which gestures can impact your performance negatively. But before that, let's understand what gestures are. Gesture is a movement of your hand, head, body that help you to communicate your message strongly. To follow effective gestures in an interview, there is a formula which is RUN, run. R, rest your hands naturally. So many of the times we get confused like where to keep our hands. So while sitting in the chair, we surely can rest our hands on the lap naturally and especially while not speaking. U, use hand gestures purposefully. We should use hand gestures while explaining a point, while emphasizing our idea. N, nod appropriately. Nodding occasionally surely can also be beneficial as it suggests that you are taking interest and you are listening and understanding carefully. Now, there are few gestures which must be avoided during an interview, like over-fidgeting, which includes tapping your finger on the table, tapping your feet, adjusting your clothes repeatedly, shifting your position in the seat. So such kind of gestures must be avoided. So now, as we move towards the end of the video, I would surely emphasize that candidates must maintain a proper eye contact with the interviewer and also carry a smile on the face. Thus, an appropriate use of non-verbal communication makes you look confident and professional. And it also contributes to your success in an interview. So with these words, I take a halt. Thank you so much for watching this video.